Just want to show you the results for today. It's the 30th of September 2024. See the account size is 305. We've made 88, so just under 30% today on the account using the Traders Compounding Console, along with the color change indicator and now the market regime indicator as well. So I'm just going to show you the results, really more for education to show you what I've been doing and how I do this. I'm finding it a lot easier actually using these indicators to get in and out, and got some really great results as you can see. So the first trade was gold, XAU USD. Gold, you can see that it turned from green to blue, and we shorted. Same in the higher time frame, you can see that it was moving to red, and we just simply shorted. Got in, got out. Should really held it longer. Talking about 4 times more the move that I missed. So I got about just 18, maybe $20 there. And then the second trade were losses, but this was a mistake. So USD CHF, as I flicked into the new instrument, I'd forgotten to take off the port. I left this on resume, left this algo running on as well, and what it does is just continues to compound. So that was a mistake. Quickly close out for a small loss. Okay, and the next big one was the majority of the gains were USD yen. USD yen. I'll just show you what we did. Just expand this so you can see what we did here. Just the yen, we saw that it was green here. It was also green in the 15-minute time frame. So this is a 5 minutes, 15 minutes, and we compounded into position. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each candle where it bought buys is three trades. So 5 times 3 is 15 trades, and you can see the most of the wins, quite a bit here. Majority of the gains with that, and we closed out here. I got a little bit nervous because I saw it was starting to go yellow in the market regime, so I got out. And you can see later on, if I show you the last few trades, were also pound yen, because I saw it had to go down. It was going up. Overall, it's going up. You can see it in the 15-minute time frame, but here, as it turned red, as it dipped back up, you see it turned greens here. So I went bought in, got out for a very small amount. I'll go back to the one in between, was USD CAD. Same thing, USD CAD. It touched the green line, started going up. Same thing it was here, it was in the green line, and it started to go up. So really simple. You just look out for green line changes on the 15-minute time frame and the 5-minute, and when they line up, you go in. That's simply what I've done. You can see I actually got in, got out. Could have held it for a bit more, but it's starting to retreat right now. And as a result, from just a few trades, and it's still early morning, I've only been doing this for 2 hours so far, and only in between doing things, I've already grabbed $88. The account size is 305, so around 28% we've gained already just this morning on this account. So I hope you found it useful. Do practice on demo. I know it's not that simple for everybody, but once you get the gist of it, just do as I have on these, get this set up. You can get the market regime and the color indicator and the trading compounding console. If you are a Patreon premium member of ours, you get these at no extra cost. So do test it out in demo first, and I'm happy to give you almost as many licenses as you need to get this up and running. Okay, so we'll speak to you soon, and I hope you found this useful.